With Sitecore Managed Cloud Premium, Rackspace has included the powerful New Relic suite of detailed monitoring tools, including application and performance monitoring, synthetic system checks, and the powerful querying capability of New Relic's Application Insights. With application intelligence, the Rackspace experts, system architects, and application support specialists use these powerful tools to create an insightful dashboard that traces the key risk components in the availability of your Sitecore application. Presented in a linear checklist style with an adjustable timeline, you can instantly compare the current performance of any measured component with all previous performance to isolate both when changes occurred and which systems may have been affected. New Relic provides a mountain of data and certainly contains a lot of answers. Application Intelligence provides the questions to get the answers you need to deliver your website. At the top of the dashboard, we've included the Apdex score of each Sitecore web app, including one for content delivery, content management, reporting, and processing. Apdex is a measure of response time based against a set threshold. It measures the ratio of satisfactory response times to unsatisfactory response times. New Relic states it as an industry standard to measure users' satisfaction with the response time of web application and services. It's a great summary of the measured application's general performance, and it's typically the first indicator of any problem that might exist in the components we're about to review. The following is a series of queries and metrics measuring the following application risks. Number one is a regional response test, which isolates regional outages or external response issues. Number two is a response by domain, indicating domains in use and potential dependencies. Number three is a DNS average lookup compared to the previous week. This indicates name resolution or query throttling. IP endpoints identifies IPs involved, and the primary endpoint is going to be the most recurrent IP. Number five, as the average SSL decoding by domain, identifies certificate issues. Number six is the load balancer, the average response of all nodes, which can identify problems in load distribution or logic. Number seven is the average network duration by app, which identifies firewall or network blockages. Number eight is the CMS site. Are there ASP or MVC transactions? Number nine is IIS incidents. Are we getting response codes from our IIS server? Number 10 is the average database response. Number 11 is the search response, so that we know our Azure search response times. Number 11 is the average response of the Redis session state server. Number 12 is the CDN test, the largest request objects. If you have a CDN enabled, you'll see that URL here instead of the default domain. But it also lets you know which objects should be offloaded to a CDN if you're not using one. And number 12 is the average response of the MongoDB database. I'm Juan Garza, and I hope you've enjoyed this preview of the Rackspace Application Intelligence Dashboard.